This is idea number 36. Pitches are the same, pattern is the same as the preceding one, crossbar is different. I made a note on the notebook of all the knobs, or most of the knobs. Here are the notes one at a time. Here is the slow performance of the attacks. And from now on, I'm just going to be improvising. I'm going to write up this this one that I just had here. Now I'm going to call it number 36. I guess it's the first slow one I made up. It seems to be quite interesting.